An urgent search and rescue operation is still underway in Texas as the death toll from tragic flooding rises to 104. That number includes at least 24 children. Representatives from Camp Mystic say they're grieving the loss of campers and counselors. Some of the campers are still missing. The camp is near the Guadalupe River, which rose 26 feet in less than an hour on July 4th. Once waters receded, a path of destruction was left behind.
Stage is wrapped around trees a quarter mile down the river. It's wrapped around trees. The reason it didn't go any further, but it's cadaver dogs are looking around that stage right now.
There are still questions on whether lives could have been saved by a better warning system. One person says firefighters were the ones to alert him.
If it wasn't for the Ingram Volunteer Fire Department, we would have lost a lot more people down below because they were
where you lived.
They were up all night long watching this.
Search and rescue crews will continue patrolling the river in search of people. Officials expect the death toll to rise.